Hi guys, it's Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you around my living room and what I did for fall. So if you are looking for any ideas for your living room or inspiration, let's go ahead and jump right on in. Okay, so I'm going to start off on this area of the room where I have these two armchairs, and these chairs are from Wayfair. I'm going to put this one candle holder right on the table in between, and then these two lumbar pillows, which I got from Zgallerie. They were on sale for about $27 on Zgallerie.com. I think they're gone now, but it was a tremendous deal, and I think these are called the Eyelash pillows. Over here on the love seat, I am going to go in with some textured pillows because I do have a very neutral living room, which I absolutely love. So texture is the key to keep it from looking boring. First piece of fall is this pumpkin pillow, which I've had for a few years now, and I got that from Marshall's, and I'm going to be putting these same two pillows on the other couch just to tie everything in. The sofa and the love seat are crushed velvet, and they are both from Pier 1. And I absolutely love these pillows because they have so much texture to them, and it just gives a more interesting look. The Ruffle pillow is from Pier 1 as well. So right above the sofa, the wall art up there, the wall art is from Pier 1 as well, and the sconces are from Zgallerie. So now I'm going to decorate the coffee table. So guys, if you like home decor, interior styling, or anything home related, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on anything. I am going to be doing a fall series, decorating series, starting with this video right here. Next, I'm going to do the kitchen, the dining room, the master, the guest bedroom, the front entryway, and the bathroom. So go ahead and make sure you subscribe for that. So on the coffee table, I'm going to put these coffee table books, and then I'm going to put this bowl on top with, I have nuts in it, but you could put nuts or candy. I always like to have something edible on my coffee table so that when my guests come in, they can have something that they can crunch on, or something that they can read. Then on the other side, I'm going to put this tray, which I got from Ross a while ago. And I'm going to put this decorative box that I got from Burlington to keep my remotes in. I have some pumpkin coasters. Those are from Ross. I got those last year. A decorative item and a candle. And a tray is always a good idea to corral smaller things so that your coffee table doesn't look too cluttered. So I absolutely love the way this is looking. Now I'm going to decorate the fireplace. So I'm going to go in with two candle holders to hold my two pumpkins on either side of my TV. So guys, I am filling this whole house with apple scented and cranberry scented candles and wallflowers. And I know that a lot of people are into the pumpkin spice scent. So let me know in the comments if you're into the pumpkin spice or the apples. What is your favorite fall scent for your home? I'd love to know what yours is, but I love apple and cranberry. Okay, so at the base of the fireplace, I'm going to be putting my pumpkins. I got these last year from HomeGoods. They were super affordable. It's almost like a sweater design. Love that. But I haven't really been seeing anything in the stores yet. So I was kind of happy that I bought as many pumpkins as I did last year. But let me know, in your area, are you starting to see more home decor in the stores? In my area, I'm not seeing anything. It's just really sad. But I did catch the sale at Pier 1. They are going out of business, and I got all of these foxtail stems from there, and they were like 65% off, so it was an awesome deal. Let me know in the comments if Pier 1 has already closed in your area. Today was their last day in my area. So sad to see them go. So guys, this is the living room. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in the video, let me know in the comments. I have a lot more to come. I'm also going to be bringing my e-design website online on the 30th of this month. It's going to be super affordable. I'm excited to tell you about it. So guys, be safe out there, and I will see you in the next one.